Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for stopping by. Crypto TNT here. Today we're going to talk about how to install multifunctional meter D52-2066. We're going to quickly go over a shopping list and what you need or what I've used. You can improvise. I am no electrician, so do your own research and just hire electrician if you don't think that you can follow along. But it's relatively quick installation. Should not take you more than hour, 2 hours. Depends on how much time you spend running your wire or if you have already have everything set up. So here's a list of what you need or what I used. You need a multifunctional meter, which is around $28 on Amazon. You need miniature circuit breaker 16 or 20 amp, which is around $9, and you need a plastic junction box, which is around 15. You can probably buy a lot cheaper junction box, but I prefer to use outdoor ones because I can just break away little clips and it looks a lot better and it's easier to install. Plus it has a nice cover so it never gets dusty or anything. It looks more professional. First thing we want to do is go to your power distribution box and turn off the circuit breaker that you're going to work on. Here's a little diagram what you're actually looking for. Both connections 1 and 2 are exactly the same, so what I actually did is I brought power into the connection 1 and then from connection 1 took it through the little metering line and to my power outlet, while neutral wire goes straight to connection number 2, and out of connection number 2 it goes straight to your outlet as a return loop. And this is how it all looks like when everything is wired and connected in. So as you can see, the power wire, the black wire, goes into the circuit breaker at the top, comes out to the bottom, goes into connection 1. Out of connection 1 we have another power wire that goes through the little feeder tube that actually measures our current, voltage, wattage, and then it goes straight to the outlet. While our return wire, white wire that comes from the top, actually goes around and get hooked up to a number 2 connection slot, and from our number 2 connection it just goes straight to our outlet. We can just connect our ground wire, bare copper wire that you see. You can either just use a cap or you can use one of those little fancy connectors. Now that we have everything set up, we can put the cover on our box, go turn on our circuit breaker, and this is what you're getting. Double check to make sure you're getting power to your wires. As you can see, meter is not working, so we're going to go ahead and turn on our small mini circuit breaker just to make sure everything is working. And as you can see, everything is good to go. Right now we do not have a load on R, so we're just going to double check to make sure that the power is getting to our outlets. Right now, as you can see, meter is red, it's also beeping. Turn off circuit breaker, take a look again. We don't have power, which means everything is wired in correctly, and we are good to go to put some load and check to make sure that our meter is actually doing what it's supposed to. So we're going to put some load on our little project and see how it goes. For right now, I'm just going to plug in my iPhone and see if it works. As you can see, we're reading wattage, reading usage, we're reading amperage, so looks like everything is good to go. But if you would like to avoid any of the wiring and everything else that I mentioned before, you can always go with a kilowatt meter that just plugs into the outlet and save yourself a hassle of everything else. But I like to repair things and play with things, so this kind of gave me something to do. It also looks good, and plus it provides a little extra safety to anything that I might have plugged into. Plus it gives me a accurate power consumption on any of the outlets or circuits that I'm currently using. Thank you once again for sticking around and visiting my channel. If you got any questions, please comment below, like, subscribe, and until next time, Crypto TNT out. Stay safe and healthy.